Welcome to Betfred's brand new lucky numbers with new features. This is the how to use the dream guide. Step 1. Select lucky numbers on the home page. Step 2. Select lucky numbers draw of your choice. Step 3. Select the Dreams button to access the dream guide. Step 4. Select your desired numbers by selecting the block most relevant to your dream. Step 5. Add your selections to your bet slip by tapping Add to Betting Ticket. Step 6. Tap on Bet Slip on the top right hand corner, enter your stake, tap on Place Bet to confirm. Thank you for watching and happy betting.